Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can share any group to someone else in your Facebook account. So in order to share any particular group, simply navigate to that group that you want to share. So for example, I'm using the example of this group right here. So in order to share this group with someone else, all I need to do is click on the three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Once you've clicked here, you can see this share button right here. Simply click on the share button and it will give you a variety of options. The first option is to share it to the Facebook. So if you share it to Facebook, a post will be created from your end which will give your audience the information about this group. The other option is to share this group via a QR code. So anyone who will scan the QR code will be able to see this group. Then the other option is to send this group in via a message using the Messenger application, and the other option is to send this group directly using the Twitter. And now the other option and the most used option is to copy the link of this group and you can paste it anywhere or embed it so that other users can also access this particular group. There are more options, like you can share it using any of the applications from your native mobile application or from your mobile. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you have liked this. If you did, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.